Hi, I'm Tommy. I turn CME lessons into 3D simulations clinicians actually finish. Completion is the number you are judged on. So let me show you how this moves it. This is a clinical lesson I rebuilt as an interactive simulation. Instead of watching a slideshow, the clinician actually walks through it. See? They make the decisions here. They do the steps themselves, not just click next. It's score and packaged so it tracks credit and completion right inside of your existing LMS platform using your existing metrics. And I built it with your clinical team the whole way. Nothing ships until they say it's right. Here's more of what I've built. You own the clinical content and the accuracy. I just make it interactive and package it so it works in your LMS directly. It starts with one of your existing lessons. I turn a lesson storyboard into a 3D simulation in under a week, and your team approves it before it goes live. Want to lift your completion rates? Feel free to play my demos down below. Book a call with me to discuss your programs. The link's right here.